Hi now, well, it certainly is a challenge to find the best tools that are worthy of your hard-earned money. It is an impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we reviewed literally dozens of products and we based our ranking on a number of factors, including the features of the product, value for the money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. We even read countless reviews from actual users. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you'll buy one of the best tools available today. So make sure to check the product links below in the description and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's get started.
One of my favorite hunting knives is the Razor-Lite because I never have to sharpen it. When the blade goes dull, I just push the lock and insert a shaving sharp new one. That's why I was super excited when Outdoor Edge came out with the Razor-Lite EDC. Now I have a full-size utility knife that I can carry every day that's lightweight, strong, and always razor sharp. The Razor-Lite EDC uses the same great blade support system as the original Razor-Lite. The black oxide coated blade holder is constructed from stainless steel plates that are riveted together to fully support the razor blade. This gives all the strength of a regular knife and the same razor sharp performance of a surgeon's scalpel. The grip on this knife is excellent. It's made from an incredibly tough glass nylon polymer that's super strong and lightweight. The rubberized TPR inserts are molded directly into the handle to give a tacky, non-slip grip. One of the best features of this knife is the pocket clip. This lets me keep my knife handy at all times, and there's a double-sided thumb stud to open the knife easily with one hand. I've been carrying the blue handle lately, but the Razor-Lite EDC also comes in orange and gray color handles. The spare blades all come vacuum sealed with a plastic protective blade cover and easy tear open pouches. The blades are made from surgical grade Japanese 420 J2 stainless steel, the industry standard for razor and scalpel blades. You can also buy additional packs of 6 replacement blades separately. Another great thing I like about this knife is you can sharpen the blades if you want to. Since the blades are rigid and have the added support of the blade holder, you can sharpen them just like a regular knife. So if you're looking for a hard-use utility knife that you can carry every day and never have to sharpen, check out the Razor-Lite EDC from Outdoor Edge.
In 1964, driven by a desire to deliver a truly functional folder, my grandfather, Al Buck, introduced the Model 110 Folding Hunter. This American icon revolutionized the industry and has become the most famous imitated knife design of all time. The 110 transformed our marketplace, putting buck knives in the front line of the knife industry, as well as a central tradition among families. Building and designing the 110 Folding Hunter is quite the process. From the rivets and pins to the bolsters and sanding, the knives undergo many processes until they are buffed, edged, sharpened, and ready for purchase. So let me show you the 110 Folding Hunter. It comes in two different styles, basic or finger groove. The handle material is Macassar ebony diamond wood. It's real wood that's been infused with resin. Lockback design for safety. The brass bolster is beveled for ergonomic comfort. The 420HC stainless steel clip point blade is 3 3/4 inches long and 120 thousandths of an inch thick. The knife weighs 7.2 ounces and is made in the USA. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is a classic, the '57 Chevy of knives. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced with a new buck knife, free of charge.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.